So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So again in this video we are going to solve this amazing exponential, or you can say algebraic question also, right? Because it's a combination of both exponential and algebraic. Now what is the question? 1 by 2 raised to x, which is equal to x plus 6, right? And we have to find the answer of x in this question. So pay attention throughout the video. This is very important and very conceptual question, right? So now let's see how do we proceed, how do we solve this kind of question. See, first of all, obviously you can apply method hit and trial here, right? Because you will put different value of x and you will get the answer. First of all, you will start with 0, then 1, -1, 2, -2, like that, right? So if you apply different kind of method, you will get answer easily. But if you want to find out answer by proper method, then pay attention through this video, right? So see here I have 1 by 2 raised to x, which is equal to x plus 6, right? So 1 by 2 raised to x, I can write 2 raised to minus x, which is equal to x plus 6. Agree, right? So now here I have 2 raised to minus x, and I'm sure obviously all of you know that I can write 2 raised to minus x as e raised to ln 2 raised to minus x. Why? Because for example, if I have t, then I can write it as e raised to ln t, and this both are the same. So same way I have written 2 raised to minus x as e raised to ln 2 raised to minus x, which is equal to x plus 6 as it is. So now pay attention. For example, here I have e raised to ln 2 raised to minus x, right? And I can also write this as e raised to minus x into ln 2 equal to x plus 6. Obviously this power will come here, right? Now for simplification, if I multiply both the side by e raised to x ln 2, right? E raised to x ln 2 both the side, then what will happen? This term will become 1 and this will become x plus 6 into e raised to x ln 2, which is equal to 1. Agree, right? So now how do we proceed? Now in order to solve this question, you must know about Lambert's W function, right? I have talked many times in my previous video, but still if you are new, then pay attention. For example, if I want to apply Lambert's W function, the equation must be in the form of t into e raised to minus t, which means power of exponents and coefficient exponents are both same. Then answer will be t. And if I talk about W inverse, right, inverse of t, then it will be t into e raised to t, right? This is Lambert's W function. This is very important function in this kind of question, right? Because if you have this kind of equation, then you will get answer easily by putting t, right? So here I have e raised to x ln 2 and here I have x plus 6, right? I have to make this equation in this kind of form. So for that purpose, if I multiply both the side by x plus 6 into e raised to x ln 2 as it is, and if I multiply this e raised to 6 ln 2 both the side, right? So it will become e raised to 6 ln 2. Agree? So again x plus 6 as it is. What will happen here? Base is same, so I can directly add the power. So e raised to x plus 6 and ln 2 is common. Agree? So e raised to 6 ln 2. Now if I want to make power and coefficient of exponent same, then in power I have x plus 6 into ln 2 and here I have only x plus 6. So if I multiply both the side by ln 2, right, then this will become same. So x plus 6 into ln 2 into e raised to x plus 6 ln 2. So it will be equal to e raised to 6 ln 2 into ln 2. So if you pay attention here I have e raised to 6 ln 2. I can write this as ln 2 raised to 6 into ln 2. Agree? And if I apply Lambert's W function here, then according to property, coefficient will be our answer. So x plus 6 into ln 2, which is equal to ln 2 raised to 6 into ln 2. So e raised to ln 2 raised to 6 means e raised to ln 64 into ln 2. So answer will be only 64 according to this property, right? If I can write t equal to e raised to ln t, then I can also write e raised to ln t equal to t, right? So according to this property, ln e raised to ln 64 equal to 64 into ln 2, right? Which will be equal to x plus 6 into ln 2. Now same way, if I apply here Lambert's W function also, then how we will apply? There is a method by which we can do that. How? If I apply Lambert's W function, then 64 I can write 64x 16 into 4 into ln 2. Pay attention here, right? So it will become 16 into 4 will come here, so 2 raised to 4 will become ln 60, right? And same way I can write 16 as this ln 16 as it is, and I can write 16 according to this term e raised to ln 16. Agree? So again, exponents and power of exponents and coefficient of exponents, they become same. So I can apply Lambert W function, which will be equal to t, which means which will equal to ln 60. And here I have x plus 6 into ln 2, right? So what will the answer of x plus 6? I can write ln 60 as 4 ln 2, right? Because 2 raised to 4 and 4 will come here, divide by ln 2. This will get cancelled out. So x plus 6 equal to 4, and 6 will come here. So x equal to minus 2 will be our final answer. Now, as I said, if you apply hit and trial method, then you can directly put, if you put directly x equal to minus 2, then you will get both the equation same, right? But this is the proper method by which you can find out the answer of x. So I hope you got it. As I said, this is very conceptual and very learning question, right? So I have completed the video, I completed the question, and still if you have any query, any doubt, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box, right? And thank you so much for watching this video.